Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about can a virtual data room facilitate secure document sharing during litigation. So the answer is yes. A virtual data room can facilitate secure document sharing and during litigation. Litigation often involves the exchange of sensitive and confidential information, and using a VDR provides a secure and controlled environment for managing and sharing legal documents. Here how a VDR can support secure document sharing during litigation. Number 1. Centralized document repository. A VDR serves as a centralized repository for all litigation related documents, including pleading, discovery materials, contacts, expert reports, and evidences. It ensures that all documents are organized, easily accessible, and available to authorized parties involved in the litigation. Number 2. Granular access control. VDR offer granular access controls, allowing administrators to set permission and restriction for different user or groups. Number 3. Secure document sharing. VDRs enable secure document sharing with external parties involved in the litigation, such as opposing counsel, expert witness, and co-counsel. You can selectively grant access to a specific document or folders, ensuring that each party receives only the necessary information while maintaining control and shared content. Number 4. Version control and audit trails. VDR maintain version control for document, allowing user to track changes, revisions, and updates. This ensures that a clear audit trail is established, providing a historical record of document modification and activities. Number 5. Document annotation and collaboration. VDRs often provide annotation and collaboration tools that allows user to mark up, comment on, and discuss a specific section or aspect of documents. Number 6. Data security compliance. VDR provider prioritize data security and employ robust security measures such as encryption, secure data transfer protocol, and data backup mechanism. Number 7. Searching and indexing. VDRs typically offer advanced search and indexing capabilities, allowing user to quickly locate a specific document, keyword, and phrase within a large volume of integration documents.